Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll show you how to create eye-catching thumbnails for your videos using Capcut. Let's dive in. First, open Capcut and select the video you want to create a thumbnail for. Next, scroll through the video to find the best frame that captures the essence of your content. Once you've found it, pause the video and take a screenshot by pressing the camera icon. Now, let's enhance the screenshot. Tap on Edit and use the built-in tools to adjust the brightness, contrast, and saturation to make the image pop. You can also add text to the thumbnail to make it more engaging. Tap on text and type in a catchy title or keywords related to your video. Customize the font, size, and color to make it stand out. And there you have it. You've successfully created a captivating thumbnail using Capcut. It's that easy. Once you're satisfied with the thumbnail, save the image to your device by tapping Export and selecting the desired format and quality. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.